You are in a dungeon. The first level of torture is this video. Watch this video. Not now.
Hey, my name is Nadja, and I like boying on I don't know if I worry. Why? I like boying on Mama now boying no. I can't make that. Okay. Oh, yeah. I don't know the man. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be saying
Oh yeah. If you're to the second level of torture, good. This is the second level of torture. Pictures. The worst pictures ever. You should look at them. If you fail, you die. If you don't, good job. The first picture is a cringe picture. How about the second one? You like that? Have you failed yet? No? Third one. Ah. Have you failed yet? Fourth one. You have 6 minutes. Oh, I'm Jigsaw. Fifth one. Oh, have you failed yet? Sixth one. I'm Jigsaw. My movie. Seventh one. Watch my movie, otherwise I will torture you more. Eighth one. The next one is such a hard one. Eighth one, and then the ninth one. The worst one is coming. Boom! Then after this is the worst one ever. Oh no! Even I feel cringe watching this. Oh no! Oh, disgusting! Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, disgusting! Yeah, wow. No! What? You still did die? Okay, next video I will show you even more torturous things. Wow.